Hi, I'm Dr. Lance Loveless, and I want to introduce you to something very different. It's called YuvaLift, our signature no knife approach to facial rejuvenation. As we age, it's not just about the teeth. The bite changes, the jaw relaxes, the face loses support, and that creates a tired or aged appearance. YuvaLift is designed to address the root cause. By restoring proper structure and balance, we can naturally lift and rejuvenate the face without surgery, without fillers, without Botox, without injectables, and without looking quote unquote done. The result is a more youthful, refreshed, and natural version of you. If you're curious whether you're a candidate, start a virtual consultation. Pull out your cell phone, take a selfie, take a full face picture, a close up of your smile, upload a few photos into my app, and I'll personally walk you through what's happening and what's possible for you. This is not just a smile makeover, it's a facial transformation. I look forward to sharing what's possible with you.